How to order a free Cash App debit card. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to order a free Cash App debit card. First, launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, the one we need is the balance icon or bank icon. If your balance is 0, then it will appear as a bank icon. Make sure you tap on it. It appears in the bottom menu here. This will take you to the Money section of your Cash App account, as you can see here. On this page, there are more options that are related to money. From those options, the one we need is this one here at the top of the menu, where you will see a credit card option. Make sure you tap on it just like here. Tap this option here named Get Your Free Card. After that, this other page here appears. On this page, scroll through the options that are here and go to the bottom of the page and tap the option named Get Your Free Card. From there, this other page appears where you are supposed to choose your card style between Classic and Metal. The choice is yours, so go through them and choose one style. After choosing the style you want, this page appears, where you will see two options. One is named Customize Card. The other is named the Order Card. If you want to make some changes to the design of your card, go ahead and tap here, Customize Card. You can then go ahead and make some changes to your card. Once you are done and satisfied with the changes you have made, tap here to save them. Finally, come back to this page here and tap Order Card. You will be taken to this other page here where you are supposed to enter the address you want the card to be delivered to. Go ahead and do so. After that, save changes and finalize the process, and your card will be delivered to you on the promised date by the Cash App team. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to order a free Cash App debit card.